Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sarla Singla, Assistant Professor, Department of English, DAV College, Sriganganagar. Friends, in yesterday's video, I told you about some common errors in the use of nouns. Today we are going to discuss journal mistakes in the use of verbs. Verbs, as you all know, are the words that tell something about a place, person or a thing, or they denote nouns or pronouns. Verbs can be of two types, friends. One is main verb and the second is auxiliary. Generally, what happens? Singular nouns are followed by singular verbs and plural nouns are followed by plural verbs. But as I already told you that English is an unruling language, so sometimes these rules may vary. Let's see these sentences. Look at the first sentence. Sita and Geeta dash at fault. In the second, Sita or Geeta dash at fault. In the first sentence we are using and in the second we are using or. And means we are talking about two things, Sita and Geeta, two. So we will use plural verbs, means we will use are. And here we are talking about either Sita or Geeta, means single person. So here we will use is. In the next sentence, rice and curry dash my favorite food. Here I have used and. According to the rules, I should use plural verbs, but no, friends, we will use is. Why? Because rice and curry is considered a singular food. Okay. In the next sentence, 1 lakh rupees dash not a small sum. Though I am talking about 1 lakh rupees, they are a large amount of money, but here I will use is because I am talking about sum, means amount, as a single thing. Okay. In the next sentence, see friends, the poet and the singer dash going. Compare this sentence with the sixth sentence, the poet and singer dash going. Here is just the difference of the. So, but we will use different verbs in both sentences. Why? Here we are talking the poet and the singer means two persons. One is poet, the other is singer. So we will use are. In the next sentence, the poet and singer means we are talking about a single person who is poet as well as a singer. So we will use is. I hope you understand, friends. Next sentence, many a girl dash playing. Generally what we say, many girls are playing. Many girls means plural noun followed by plural verb. But here see, a girl means many a girl means we are talking about a single girl. So it will be followed by singular verb. We will use is. See next sentence, each boy and girl dash present. Here we are talking about each boy and girl means single boy or single girl. So we will use singular verb is present. In the next sentence, every one of them. Though everyone seems to be a plural word, we are talking about everyone, and them is also means they are large number. They are in large number, but even then we will use is. None of the five books dash yours. Here it seems that it's a plural subject or noun. We should use plural verb. But no, friends, we are talking about none. Means not a single one. So we will use here is singular verb. Either you or I dash guilty. Here we are talking about one person. Either you or I means any one of you is with I what we use? Am na? Then we will say singular verb am. But in the next sentence, your brother as well as I dash guilty. Again, if we compare this sentence with the previous sentence, we should use am. But no, friends, here as well as means we are talking about two persons. Your brother as well as I means we are two persons. So here we will use are, plural form of the verb. Well, friends, let's discuss some more verbs. See, hear and listen. You know what is the difference between hear and listen? We use hear when we are hearing something without paying any attention. If I say I am hearing some noise outside the room, and listening, when we are listening something carefully, means paying attention to that thing. Okay. Next word, look and watch. We look at the things for just a general glance. Like I am looking at the TV, means I am looking at the model of the TV, or I am looking around the TV. But if I say I am watching TV, it means I am looking carefully, watching carefully the things that are in the TV. Okay, here are some more sentences, friends. See the sentence, I hope he will fail. And next one, I fear she will win. Do you think these both sentences are correct? No, friends. Because when we talk about the negative side of the thing, we never say hope. We say I fear. And in the next sentence, we will not use fear. We say hope, because we are talking about the positive side of the thing. Okay. Again, I would like to tell you something. You always use tell a lie or speak truth. But sometimes you use don't speak a lie. It's totally incorrect. And always tell truth. It is also incorrect. So never use speak with lie and tell with truth. That's all for today, friends. I hope you like this. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.